Welcome back. Now in this video we will just set the man top for the login background and also the man bottom. So let's go ahead and do that, and we will add those images. So first of all, I'm going to simply just create this size right in here like we did before. So in here size, type size, and then we say meta query dot of contacts, then we say dot size. So it's gonna take the size of the screen whatever it will be right in the future. We're gonna take that. So in here we just create that. Now let's go ahead and provide the height below this box decoration. In here we'll say height, and then type size. In here you guys can see the suggestion. Now we say dot height. It's gonna take the height, and also let's get the width. So we'll say double dot infinity. We'll go with this one. Now in here we'll say child, and let's have the stack widget because we are about to just set the man top and also the man bottom. So let's go ahead and do that. First in here we will set the alignment for it. So in here we'll say alignment dot center. It's going to be right in the center, and in here we'll say children, and right in there let's have that position widget in here. There we go. It's going to take the child. Now you just remove it, you will add it just in a while. Now in here comma and take this down. Now we will provide the top is going to be 0, and the left is going to be 0 because it's going to be right on the top and on the left side. That's why we set that to 0. You guys will notice the output. First I'm going to just write the code for that, and also we did that before right in the previous screens, so don't worry for that. Let's go ahead and complete it. So in here child, and with the help of image.asset. Now in here we will provide the path for the man top. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go toward the asset and then open that images. There we go with the man top that I told you already. So as you guys can see, okay, that's the man top, and also we will add that man bottom right to the bottom. So let's go ahead and provide the path. So it's right inside the asset, then images, and then man top.png. So in here we will say assets, and guys the name must be similar, okay, and no spelling mistake. So make sure to make it in a proper manner. Then slash, then we say images folder, and then again slash, and then the name of the image. So man underscore top.png. That's fine. Now I have already how to load the app. I'll just simply press the Ctrl S, and you guys will notice that man top. There we go. Okay, it's working totally fine. And what I'll do, it's a little big. We will also just change the width for that and also provide the color. So first let's add the color in here, comma first, and then we will take this down. Then you say color, and let's go with the colors dot deep purple, and also we will give the shade with 300 like we did before in the previous scheme. Now let's add the width. So in here width we'll say type size dot width, and we're gonna just take the 0.3% of the screen. That's fine. Okay, now just press the Ctrl S, and you guys will notice the changes. There we go. The width is now good than before. It was smaller, and also the color is deep purple with the shade 300, and you guys can see that it's working totally fine. Now we will add that man bottom. So for that, for time saving, I'll just copy that from here to here, copy it, and below this position widget in here, paste it. Now in here we will make some changes a little. So this is going to be for the bottom, so in here we will remove that top and we will say bottom instead, and it's going to be 0, and also it's going to be right on the left side like this top. Okay, so we set this to 0, and we will just change that name. It's man bottom .png. so in here we'll just remove that top and we'll say bottom, and color is going to be same, and also the width. So press the Control S and you guys will notice the output. There we go, the bottom one. Okay, but it's a little big in size, and I'll go with 0.2. let's check that. That is more fine. So you guys can notice that it's working totally fine, and we have successfully added the man top and also the man bottom for the background of a login screen. So basically that's it for this video, and you'll work further right from the next video. So see you in the next one.